as we're traveling around, we noticed that a lot of people have pets. And, you know, if you know me, you know I love my dogs. But Mark's not a dog person. So I tried to convince him, but they're just not practical for our lifestyle. So I thought, well, let me try a couple other critters. And he didn't go for that one either. Well, then I thought, okay, if you know me again, you know I love my nature, love my plants. At our house that we sold, I did some serious landscaping. I mean, I did a lot, and it was beautiful. I mean, even in the house, I had a mini jungle going on. So I did take 2 of my orchids with me. And they were doing okay, but as you can see, one didn't make it, and the other one actually has been much healthier. So, here we are. I found out that there's probably the nation's largest bonsai nursery, 20 minutes from our resort. And knowing that we have to keep my plants small, I thought, okay, this is it. So I am bonsai hunting today, getting my new pet. This one's pretty cool. It's a ficus, but it might be a little too big for me. Here's a nice one, a Chinese elm. You can see it's pretty much the right size. Alright, I think I've narrowed it down to the ficus, and there's many different kinds, but I'm liking this one. It's a small pot, you can see by my hand, it's not too big, but I love the roots that come out of it. So now, out of all of these, I'm going to have to figure out which one's going home with me. Alright, I think I found the one. Small enough, it's got some awesome root system going on. Can do some training of those branches to make it do the right thing. Ficus retusa melon seed. There it is, my new baby. So once again, I forgot to turn the microphone on. So as I was walking to the checkout, I noticed these. Chinese elm and a couple junipers already potted. And unfortunately, we don't know what Mark was saying. Here's our lovely salesperson who gave us a lot of information on how to take care of them. Nice thing is that they're already potted, so we don't need to buy any more pots or dirt. And here they are at home.